Okay guys, are you a Facebook advertiser or maybe a marketer? So, have you heard about AIPRM? Maybe yes, probably not, but I'm sure you know ChatGPT, right? Except maybe you've been living under a rock in the last 2 years. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a complete Facebook ad campaign using AI for free, yeah. Look, we are in the artificial intelligence age, and the last thing you want to do right now is stressing yourself to create your next Facebook ad campaign when an AI tool can actually do it much better, faster, and cuter. Now, we're going to be using ChatGPT to create a complete Facebook ad campaign from start to finish in this video. And by the way, if you are a Facebook advertiser, then you want to have this complete Facebook ad handbook always handy by your side. It contains just about everything about Facebook ad from start to finish. Either you consider yourself a beginner Facebook advertiser or a done, then you will find it amazingly helpful. So you can download it using the link in the video description. So here I am in ChatGPT. If you don't already have a ChatGPT account, just come over here and sign up for free. But here we want to place ChatGPT on steroid mode. So we're going to be linking ChatGPT with another AI extension called AIPRM. Now, AIPRM is a ChatGPT prompt library that makes ChatGPT a more powerful and easier to use AI tool. It's free Chrome extension, and once you install it on your Chrome browser, you will see all over these additional features automatically added to your ChatGPT. There are countless prompts for countless purposes that you can use this for. But in this video, I'll show you one of its 1,000 other possibilities, which is to create a complete Facebook ad campaign from start to finish. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to know how to use more of this tool and several other AI tools. So, to install AIPRM extension on your Chrome browser, just go over to AIPRM.com or just visit your Chrome web store. And here search for AIPRM. Here is it. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add extension. Now once this extension is installed on your Chrome, it will automatically redirect you back to ChatGPT, and then you're going to see this pop up. Just click Continue, tick this agreement box and connect with your Google account. Select your Google account. Continue. Now go to your email inbox and verify your settings. So here is the email sent to me. Just open it, click the verification link, and then head back to ChatGPT dashboard. Again, tick the agreement box here and confirm. And now the AIPRM is added to our Chrome browser, and you can see that this ChatGPT dashboard has changed with so much more options. Once your installation is complete, you will see all of these prompts automatically showing up on your ChatGPT dashboard. So, with what you now have before you, creating a complete Facebook ad campaign for your business is the easiest thing in this world. Let's use a vitamin supplement business as an example for this demonstration. So now I want to assume that I want to create a complete Facebook ad campaign for my vitamin supplement business. So once you know your business, you need no other information other than just to get into your ChatGPT dashboard. So my hypothetical business here is a vitamin supplement business. So I will come over here at topic and I will select marketing. For activity, I will also select marketing. Okay, because we literally have thousands of prompts here, my style is always to come over to the search bar here and I will just type in what I want. In this case, I will type in Facebook. And as you can see, there are several Facebook prompts that I have here, all depending on what I want ChatGPT to help me do with Facebook. So I'll just come and choose this Facebook ad strategy prompt. Let's look through what this single prompt is going to give us. You can see here it says generate Facebook ad audience, primary text, headlines, ad copies, descriptions, and ad strategy. Obviously, this already covers everything that you will be stressing yourself to get right while trying to plan your Facebook ad campaign. So once I select this, the rest is simple. All I need to do is just to type it in here, Facebook ad campaign for vitamin supplement. Of course, you can be more detailed if you like. So instead of saying vitamin supplement, yours could be something like vitamin A supplement or insulin supplement or whatever. I believe you got my point. And then I will just click here. And as you can see, ChatGPT is generating a complete Facebook ad campaign for me from scratch. Let's wait a few seconds and see what we got. Okay, so can you see this? This is a complete campaign strategy that I can use as a supplement seller to create a winning Facebook ad without stressing myself out. Here, the first thing that ChatGPT has given us is 4 different audience types that we can use to do our targeting to sell our supplements to. So here, we have fitness enthusiasts, health conscious moms, aging population, vegans and vegetarian audiences. Interesting. So all I need to do here is just to go to my Facebook ad, and at the ad set level, I will go ahead and create 4 copies of ad set and use each of these 4 targeting options in each of my ad set. Of course, I will also monitor my ad performance in each of the ad set to know which of them will perform the best, and if all of them do well, which in this case they should, then I can leave all the targetings to keep running. Again, you can see that ChatGPT gives us the ages for the 4 targeting options. So for instance, if I were to run this ad for this targeting option, then I will set my age between 18 and maybe 50 or even 55 so that I can also give Facebook algorithm a little allowance to work with. So I'll go ahead and do the same for the other targeting options. So let's see more. So here, ChatGPT has given us an idea of a primary test which says elevate your health with a premium vitamin supplement, unleash the power of essential nutrient for a vibrant life. And you can see that it's giving us even hashtags here. And here we have ad headline, unlock your vitality with, of course, my product name. And here, remember that ChatGPT gives us a 4 different targeting options, right? So here you can see that it has also given us a 4 different ad copies for each of the ad targeting, all done for us. And all of them are matching each of the targetings. And here again, we have 4 different ad descriptions for each of our targeting options. Beautiful. And much more important, ChatGPT here is giving us a trustworthy ad strategy for this kind of ad, explaining to us how to go about each of them. I mean, can anything be better than this? And even if you want ChatGPT to go outside of the Facebook ad to help you create your landing page, of course, it will also do that. But I will not be showing you that in this particular video. And let's say that you need ad images for your kind of business. Of course, if you're selling supplement, I would expect you to use the custom image of your product. But what if your home business is one that can really go with generic images? Yeah, ChatGPT can actually do that for you also. For example, to create an image, you can just come back here and open a new chart. And at the topic tab, select generative AI. At activity, select Mid-Journey. I'll scroll down and here I'll choose the create an image with ChatGPT prompt, and then I'll just describe the image I want and click here, and then I wait for ChatGPT to do the rest for me. I mean, this is cool, isn't it? So you can see here that we have images, and then I can just use my image to do whatever it is I want to do with it. So go ahead, try out a ad campaign for your next Facebook ad and come back and let me know if this is of a help to you or not. Now, if you run into any kind of problem or so, or things you feel are not right, or maybe I should have mentioned something and I did not mention, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, just before I sign off again, you can download this complete Facebook ad guide. Like I said, it contains just about everything that you need to know about Facebook ad, and I really think that every Facebook advertiser should have it. The download link is in the video description. Meanwhile, in the video currently displayed on your screen, I show you how to use ChatGPT and AIPRM to create a human-written, completely SEO optimized blog post. You will really love to see it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.